In today's video, we will be comparing two advanced fighter jets, the Dassault Rafale and the Pakistan J-31 new. Let's start by looking at the specifications of the Dassault Rafale and the Pakistan J-31 new. The Dassault Rafale is a French-built multi-role fighter jet that is known for its high maneuverability and advanced avionics. The Pakistan J-31 new, on the other hand, is a new stealth fighter jet developed by China. Both of these aircraft are designed to be versatile and capable of performing various missions. When it comes to speed, the Dassault Rafale has a top speed of Mach 1.8, while the Pakistan J-31 new has a top speed of Mach 1.6. In terms of maximum range, the Dassault Rafale has a range of 3,700 kilometers, whereas the Pakistan J-31 new has a range of 2,000 kilometers. When it comes to the armament, both fighter jets are equipped with a variety of missiles and bombs. The Dassault Rafale has the ability to carry up to 9.5 tons of ordnance, while the Pakistan J-31 new can carry up to 8 tons. In terms of stealth capabilities, the Pakistan J-31 new is designed to have a reduced radar signature, making it harder to detect. However, the Dassault Rafale has advanced electronic warfare systems that can counter enemy threats. When it comes to the cockpit, the Dassault Rafale features a state-of-the-art glass cockpit with advanced displays, while the Pakistan J-31 new has a similar configuration. Overall, both the Dassault Rafale and the Pakistan J-31 new are advanced fighter jets, but they have different strengths and capabilities. The Dassault Rafale is known for its maneuverability and advanced avionics, while the Pakistan J-31 new is designed with stealth capabilities in mind. In conclusion, it's important to remember that there are many factors to consider when comparing fighter jets, and it ultimately depends on the specific requirements and objectives of each country's Air Force. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this.